Imagine a Christmas night so cold, so lonely, yet so full of unexpected kindness that it changes a boy's life forever. This story will touch your heart and remind you of the true spirit of giving. Welcome to Soft Spoken English. Please like, share, and subscribe for calm, meaningful, and emotional English stories that inspire and warm the soul. My name is Adam. I live with my mother in a quiet, snow-covered town where winter nights feel endless and the streets glimmer under a soft layer of frost. For as long as I could remember, Christmas had always been a difficult time for me. While other children laughed, tore open colorful gifts, and filled their homes with joy, my heart felt heavy and hollow. My father had passed away many years ago, and although my mother worked tirelessly, our home was modest, and we had so little. No festive decorations, no Christmas tree, no holiday dinners, just the silent chill of winter. Every year, I watched happiness bloom in others' lives, while mine seemed shrouded in grey. One December evening, the snow fell quietly, each flake like a soft whisper. I walked home from school, my coat wrapped tightly around me, feeling the cold bite at my cheeks. The town sparkled with lights, families gathered near warm fires, their laughter drifting through the frosty air. I paused to look through a window, and tears welled up. Christmas is only for those who already have everything, I whispered, my chest tightening with loneliness. At home, my mother greeted me with a tired but gentle smile. I sank into her warmth and asked softly, "Mum, why do people love Christmas so much?" She held my hand, her eyes deep with quiet understanding. "Because even in the darkest times, we can bring light to others," she said. Her words lingered, planting a seed I didn't yet understand. Later that night, as the wind howled and snow blanketed our small home, a soft knock broke the silence. I opened the door to find an elderly man, shivering and lost in the cold. His clothes were thin, his hands trembling, and his eyes tired yet gentle. Despite our own scarcity, I stepped aside and said, "Please, come in." My mother and I shared our only blanket and our last warm cup of soup. The man's eyes glistened with gratitude. "You've given me more than warmth," he whispered. "You've given me hope." Watching him leave into the swirling snow, a strange warmth filled my heart. Our home was still small, our resources limited, yet something within me had changed. That night, I finally understood the true spirit of Christmas. It is not about what we receive, but about what we give. Even the smallest act of kindness can ignite miracles. The next morning, the town felt alive in a new way. Neighbors left gifts on each other's doors, blankets appeared on porches, and simple acts of generosity spread like sunlight. I helped carry firewood, shared apples with children, and experienced a sense of belonging I had never known. Christmas, I realized, was about generosity, humanity, and spreading love without expecting anything in return. Years passed, but the memory of that magical night never faded. I grew older, yet I carried that spirit wherever I went. Each winter, I quietly helped strangers, shared warmth, and spread hope. One day, returning to my hometown, I saw an old man sitting on a park bench, the same man I had helped as a child. "You remember me?" I asked, he smiled warmly. I remember the boy who opened his door when others stayed closed. That night, you changed everything. Tears filled my eyes as I realized that one small act of kindness had not only touched another life, but had transformed my own forever. From that day forward, I chose kindness every day. Christmas became a choice, not a date on the calendar. Choice to give, to care, to love. The greatest gifts in life are never wrapped in paper. They are found in the warmth we share, the hope we spark, and the love we offer, especially when we have little.